About to get the boat all loaded up. I'm all signed in. We're all signed in. Got 9 more days here. We car camped last night. Going to make base camp at the big pond we usually stay at here. And then head over to some other smaller ponds. Sammy's ready to go. Well, let's get to it. Sammy's got his pig. It's his little buddy. Well, the canoe is all loaded up. We just got done with that long trail. It's like 3 miles. A lot of hills. Just nasty rainy day. We're really hoping that we get the lean-to over there. Well, we're gonna get going and get out there and try and get a fire going soon. Good enough, I'll get out. Come on, bud, get out.
You want to make sure?
Yeah. It's empty. There's a bunch of dry firewood in there too.
That's awesome.
We've never been so happy to get a lean-to. You got a nice fire going over there. Nice bed of coals. It's really difficult to get this thing going this good because of how wet it was. It's been raining all day. Finally stopped. Probably not going to do any fishing tonight just because I have to still go get more firewood. Kind of windy out there anyways. Got 8 more days. Once this dies down a little bit, I'm gonna make some bacon cheeseburgers, some mashed potatoes. Got some broccoli steaming up in there. Mashed potatoes. All the water boiling for them over there. Bacon cheeseburgers. Nice and bloody too. Chow these down and gotta go get some more firewood. I can't take all the credit for cutting the wood up. Tracy does plenty of firewood herself. I'm over here splitting everything up, getting everything ready. Gonna have a nice big breakfast and do some exploring. at that. Nice. Fish on. That didn't take very long. It rained pretty hard for a few hours, so we just kind of hung out in the lean-to for a little while. Well, the lean-to's all tidied up. We're heading down, we're hiking to another little pond. A little tiny kettle pond right above this pond. We've been wanting to check this little pond out the past couple times we've been here, but we just never got around to it. So now we finally get to check it out. That is one big rock. Wow. And it keeps going down this way. We're almost to the pond. I can see the water from here. It's right down there. Right there. Very shallow. Probably not gonna fish it. It's way too shallow, but hey, we finally made it up here. Sure is pretty though. I ended up making a few casts anyways, just to see if there was anything in here, but I had no luck, so we just headed back to camp so we can get back out on the water. So I just got this nice brookie here. It's kind of dark. It's probably hard to see. Man, that thing's got some nice colors to it. We got plenty of food, so I'm gonna let him go. We had some ribeye steak mashed potatoes and broccoli for dinner. There's this metal plate at the lean-to, so I'm able to cover the pan that the bannock is in. Kind of makes it like a little Dutch oven. Now I just keep spinning it, and in a few minutes I'll flip it over, add some cinnamon. It's good. Smells pretty good too. We'll find out how it is. Turned out pretty good. We decided to call it an early night after having the bannock, because we were moving on to another pond tomorrow. The loon's saying goodbye to us. We're bringing everything down here, getting ready to pack up and leave. Hopefully the other pond is unoccupied. So here we are at our favorite campsite, our favorite pond. Got everything here. Luckily it was unoccupied. Really love this site. Beautiful pond. Fishing's pretty good here. I'm gonna go cut up some maple we found across the pond over there. That way we can cook with it. Use it for the wood stove tonight. Come back, have some cheeseburgers, and then probably go out and do some fishing for a little bit. I ended up getting a really bad migraine, so we just brought the wood back to camp, made dinner, and I went to sleep for the night. The last of the bacon. I'm gonna have some bacon, egg, and cheeses, the last of those, and then go out and do some fishing. Beautiful out there right now. Got pretty chilly last night. It was like 22 degrees or something like that. Really calm out there. We pretty much fish all day. Make up for the lack of fishing from this trip. Been a good time though, either way. We got to get past this point just a little bit. Tracy just rescued a dragonfly here. It was in the water, drowning a little bit. Let him dry off a little bit. Thing's pretty cool looking. Got a couple bites, got a couple worms stolen, but we came in, had a couple snacks. Gonna probably go out in a little bit, try again. We just had some cheddar wurst. We bring these taco shells. Instead of bringing buns with us, like hot dog buns, we just put them in these taco shells because then you don't have to worry about them getting crushed. But we always bring those cheddar wursts. Those are good. I think it's Hillshire Farms Better with Cheddar, they're called. Definitely a staple for us camping. And Tracy just took the last one. Alright, so I'm back out here. I'm by myself. I got some rocks and my my pack up front weighed down just to weigh the front of the boat down. A lot calmer out here right now, so it should be a lot easier to patrol. Hopefully. This is a big one. Ooh, easy. Oh my God, I might have broken my personal best again. Whew. I think so. Oh my God, that one's big. This one didn't end up breaking my personal best, but it matched it. 18 inches. Them colors. Wow, that is why we love this pond. That was amazing. Whew. Well, I'm gonna call it a day now. Well, I'm gonna take a lap or two around just to try and get another one, but I don't think I'm gonna top that. We have to get some firewood still tonight, so I'm gonna go for a little bit and then go back and get Tracy and go get some firewood. I can actually hear her sawing wood up at camp right now, so I better hurry up and get back. I can help her, but wow, that was amazing. That was great. That dragonfly's been hanging out with us all day. So after we gathered up some firewood, we made some dinner and then went to bed early. We were heading back to the other pond the next day. All right, Sammy, get out, bud.
Oh, I'm sorry. I lost my footing. Where am I going?
So we got back to the big pond. We're going to be staying at the lean-to here. This is the second lean-to that's on this pond. It's a little more sheltered from the wind and stuff, because we're supposed to get a pretty bad storm tomorrow night. We're just going to sleep right inside of the lean-to, not even bother with the hot tent. So now I'm going to go out and go do some fishing. Just going down the trail now to the boat. Pretty calm out. Tracy's gonna stay at camp. She's gonna make some lunch. I'm gonna go out and fish for a while. It's pretty warm out today. It's supposed to be warm for the next few days. It's only getting down to the 40s at night. Nice and calm out there. And let's see if I can get something. Alright, so I'm heading out here, doing some fishing. It's pretty calm. See if we can get something. I'm gonna stay out here for a little bit, and I gotta go in and get some firewood for today, for tonight, and for tomorrow. Because tomorrow's supposed to be rainy, so we want to have some nice dry firewood stocked up. So come out here for a little bit and see how we can do. Trolling around, not really having any luck. Got a couple bites earlier. Really calm, but I would think they'd be biting, especially with a storm coming tomorrow. But just gonna troll around for a few more minutes and then head on in and get some firewood. Moon over there, splashing around. So there's not a lot going on today. It's a rainy day. We're supposed to get some pretty good storms later. We're just hunkering down in the lean-to. Nice lean-to. It's nice and up on the hill, guarded away from the wind and everything. Good day to relax. Got the lean-to all cleaned up in here. Got some nice dry wood in the corner. So we're all set. Supposed to be nice. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow's supposed to be pretty good. It's Saturday also, as far as weather. But that's about it for now. Pretty uneventful day. Quite the hill to get up to this lean-to.
Impacts, gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Flood watch in effect from 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening through Friday afternoon. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. And now the hourly information for the greater Northeast.
So needless to say, I'm glad we got the lean-to. Should be pretty interesting tonight.
Light rain was falling.
So we'll see.
Temperature was
Looks like there was another lean-to here at one time. These logs are kind of carved out for it. Just the way it's set up. It seems like, yeah, and there's boards over there. Huh. Be a perfect place for it. I'm just looking for a place to shore fish for a little bit. So I couldn't really find anywhere to shore fish, so I might just fish tomorrow. It's like 5 o'clock right now, so probably just gonna head into the lean-to, just hang out there and relax. I have all day tomorrow to fish. I don't want to go out on the boat and then have it, you know, the storm just come through and out of nowheres and then be out on the middle of the water. So it'd be best just to head up to the lean-to, just fish tomorrow. So it is what it is. Putting some cheese and crackers in here. Club and cheddar. Well, fishing was kind of unsuccessful. It was nice and calm out there, but they just weren't hitting. So we're all packed up. Got the lean-to pretty much cleaned. We got some nice split wood in there for the next people. It's all swept out. The weather really didn't amount to anything, so we hunkered down for nothing really. It just rained all night. It's nice for sleeping weather, but it didn't get any wind like they said. It kicked up for a little bit, but maybe half an hour, that was about it. So really got nothing, but that's all right. So we're gonna head on to another pond for our final night. Nice little pond. It's got some brookies in it. We've stayed there one time before. It's pretty nice there. Really nice campsite. Probably looks really nice with all the foliage right now. We went there in the springtime, so we're gonna head on there and stay one more night there, and then after that we got 2 ponds to paddle across and a short portage in between. That's it for this trip. So probably the last canoe trip of this year, so we'll see, but on we go. Ooh, no sinkage. End up sinking there. Come on, careful. Oops. Got this nice little channel right here. Easier for loading the boat. One beautiful pond. Can't wait to get out there and do some fishing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pick him up. Remember, this is where he fell into the bank. Come on, Sam. Hold on. You're a good boy. Daddy's gonna carry you. Oh, boy. Maybe we should give you a few less treats, bud. We're here. Man, that is beautiful. Whew. Nothing quite like it. That's why we put all this work in. Come out, get the pond to yourself. Nice campsite. We've been here before. It was springtime though. Man, with this foliage, this is one beautiful sight. Sammy's sunning already. Quite the view. Yeah, holy, wow. There's a bunch of firewood here.
Nice.
And then there's some maple across the way on the trail that we took. I might go over there and get some of that. Nothing quite like it. Love being out here. It's just sad it's the last full day. Going home tomorrow, unfortunately. This will be our last campsite of this year, for canoe camping at least. So we're out here fishing. Well, heading to the other side of the pond first, then we're gonna drift back, because when the breeze picks up, that's kind of the direction it goes. Beautiful out. Come out here for a while and then go in and have some dinner. I might come back out after dinner, but we'll see. Making some dehydrated chili. The water is boiling. It sounds like gonna start some pasta. Just got some dehydrated chili here. And a Sammy dog. Stuff turned out really good. A good last meal here. Last dinner at least. We'll have breakfast here tomorrow. Tracy's making one of her pasta meals. It's basically pasta with seasoning. Only takes water, right?
Yep. You're supposed to put milk in it, but out here, water's fine.
Yeah. Hunger's the best spice.
It is true.
Well, I'm gonna get to eating this. Have some s'mores in a little bit. Crumbled s'mores. The graham crackers didn't quite make it so well on the trip, so we're gonna have to make the best out of them. But again, hunger's the best spice out here. Well, I'm gonna dig in. Alright, I'm out here one last time. Trolling around. Last day of trout season. Hopefully I get something. Only got 3 fish on this trip so far. That one was huge, that brookie. I can't complain. Well, after I did a couple laps, I didn't catch anything, didn't get any bites. So I decided to come in, pack up camp so we can head out. That's it for this pond. Now we're gonna head up to the trail and got 2 more ponds to go across and then heading home. Alright, so we're to the last pond. Gonna paddle across this and we'll be back to the car. End of a great trip. Nice 10-day trip out here. Couldn't ask for more. Wish the fishing was a little better, but that big brookie I got definitely made it up. So, again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be great too. Till next time.